Treasure of Sounds. Game name Pairing Rhyming Words. Materials required Treasure of Sounds chart, phonogram cards. Objective to introduce and pair the words with rhyming words for phonogram words. Procedure Place the Treasure of Sounds chart in the place of presentation. Arrange the phonogram cards above the Treasure of Sounds chart. Point to the first sound on the chart and read it. Sh. Find the phonogram card with sound sh from the arrangement. Dish. Isolate a card from the arrangement and place it below the chart. Tell the child, this is dish. Let us find the rhyming word for dish. Find the card that rhymes with dish from the arrangement. Fish. Isolate and place it next to the dish. Point to the cards and say dish, fish. Rhyming sound is sh. Keep the cards aside. Continue the same procedure for all the sounds on the chart.